Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be doing a homemade mask for your hair. We're going to be using products that's around the house. So yeah, if you guys are interested, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And without further ado, let's get into the video. So first you want to start off with an avocado. I use ripe avocado. After the avocado, you want to use 2 tablespoons of grapeseed oil. Now you can find this at a local grocery store. And grapeseed oil is good for your hair. Then you want to use mayonnaise. Mayonnaise is also good for your hair. You want to use a half a tablespoon of mayonnaise. You don't want to overpower the mask with mayonnaise because it's going to make your hair smell weird. Next, you're going to use a whole egg. So you just crack the egg and just add it into the mixture. And then lastly, you're going to add any kind of leave-in conditioner, co-wash conditioner. I'm going to use the conditioner As I Am co-wash conditioner. So yeah, I'm going to use 1/3 of that. And now you just mix everything up. First, I'm going to mix it in the bowl, and then afterwards I'm going to blend it in the blender so it can be nice and thick. But you don't want clumps inside of your mixture. And to store it, I use an old Eco Styling gel container. You can put this anywhere in a container and store it inside the refrigerator if you're not using it the day of. But I recommend using it the day of or the next day because avocados get ripen really fast. So yeah guys, that's the end of this tutorial. If you guys liked it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Also comment in the comment section down below and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Bye guys.